Most people think heart disease begins in the heart. In reality, one of the most dangerous blockages in the body often starts much higher, in the neck. Running along both sides of your neck are two large blood vessels called the carotid arteries. These arteries are responsible for delivering oxygen-rich blood directly to the brain. Every thought you think, every word you speak, every memory you recall depends on uninterrupted blood flow through these narrow channels. What makes carotid artery disease especially dangerous is not how dramatic it is, but how quiet it can be. These arteries do not ache when plaque begins to form. They do not throb when blood flow slowly narrows. Instead, the body adapts, compensates, and stays silent, sometimes for years, until one day the brain is deprived of oxygen for just long enough to change a life forever. Many people who experience a stroke later say the same thing. They felt something was off long before it happened. A little dizziness here. A strange pressure in the neck there. Moments of confusion that passed quickly. They ignored these signs because they did not seem serious. After all, there was no pain. This is where science and prevention meet. Today, we are going to talk about one ancient everyday food that modern research has repeatedly linked to healthier arteries, improved blood flow, reduced plaque progression, and lower stroke risk. That food is garlic. Not as a miracle cure, not as a replacement for medical care, but as a powerful, evidence-supported ally for protecting the arteries that feed the brain. Why neck arteries matter more than you think. The carotid arteries are unlike most other blood vessels in the body. They are under constant pressure, carrying a large volume of blood upward against gravity. Every heartbeat sends blood rushing through these arteries toward the brain. Over time, this pressure makes them especially vulnerable to inflammation and plaque buildup. Plaque forms when LDL cholesterol, inflammatory cells, calcium, and cellular debris accumulate inside the artery wall. This process, known as atherosclerosis, does not happen overnight. It develops slowly, layer by layer, often beginning decades before symptoms appear. As plaque builds, the artery becomes narrower and less flexible. Blood flow becomes turbulent. Small clots can form. In some cases, pieces of plaque can break loose and travel directly to the brain, blocking smaller vessels and causing a stroke. What makes this frightening is that even partial narrowing of the carotid arteries can reduce blood supply to areas of the brain responsible for balance, speech, memory, and vision, all without obvious warning. Why blocked neck arteries are often missed. Unlike heart disease, which may announce itself through chest pain or shortness of breath, carotid artery disease often presents with subtle neurological symptoms. These symptoms are easy to dismiss because they come and go. A person may feel briefly lightheaded when standing up. They may experience moments of blurred vision that resolve quickly. They may struggle to find words for a few seconds or feel unusually fatigued after mental tasks. These signs rarely trigger alarm because they do not last. Modern life makes this even more complicated. Stress, poor sleep, dehydration, screen time, and aging all cause similar sensations. As a result, early warnings are normalized instead of investigated. Many stroke survivors later report that the signs were there for years, but no one connected them to artery health. 9 warning signs of blocked neck arteries. Sudden or recurrent dizziness. One of the earliest warning signs is unexplained dizziness, especially when standing, walking, or turning the head. This occurs when reduced blood flow temporarily affects the brain's balance centers. These episodes are often brief and dismissed as dehydration or fatigue, but recurring dizziness should never be ignored. Temporary vision disturbances. Blocked neck arteries can reduce blood flow to the eyes and visual cortex. This may cause blurred vision, dimming, flashes of light, or a curtain-like shadow over one eye that clears within minutes. These episodes are medically known as transient visual ischemia and are a strong warning sign of carotid artery narrowing. Unusual tightness or pressure in the neck. Some people experience a persistent feeling of tightness, pressure, or fullness on one side of the neck. This sensation is vascular, not muscular. It may be related to inflammation or altered blood flow within the carotid artery, and is often overlooked because it is not painful. One-sided weakness or tingling. Brief weakness, numbness, or tingling affecting one side of the face, arm, or leg is a classic early warning sign. These symptoms may resolve quickly, leading people to dismiss them. However, they reflect temporary reductions in blood supply to specific brain regions. Sudden difficulty speaking or finding words. The brain's language centers are extremely sensitive to oxygen deprivation. Even a short interruption in blood flow can cause word-finding difficulty, slurred speech, or confusion. When these symptoms come and go, they are often mistaken for stress or mental fatigue. Frequent or unusual headaches. Headaches linked to blocked neck arteries often feel different from typical tension headaches. They may be localized, pulsating, or associated with visual changes. These headaches occur due to irregular blood flow and increased vascular pressure inside the brain. Ringing or pulsing in the ears. Known as pulsatile tinnitus, this symptom occurs when turbulent blood flow passes through narrowed arteries near the ears. The sound may sync with the heartbeat and is often more noticeable at night or in quiet environments. Mental fatigue and reduced focus. Reduced blood flow to the brain can cause rapid mental exhaustion, difficulty concentrating, and slower thinking. Tasks that once felt easy may suddenly feel draining. This is not normal aging, but a sign that the brain is not receiving optimal circulation. Sudden loss of balance or coordination. Brief episodes of imbalance, clumsiness, or coordination problems may occur when blood flow to the cerebellum is affected. These episodes may last only seconds, making them easy to dismiss, but they are significant warning signs. Why these signs are often ignored. Each of these symptoms may appear mild, temporary, or unrelated. They rarely occur all at once, which allows people to normalize them. However, when viewed together, they tell a clear story of compromised blood flow to the brain. The danger is not the symptom itself, but what it represents. Garlic. From ancient medicine to modern science, garlic has been used as a medicinal food for over 5,000 years. Ancient Egyptians gave it to laborers to increase endurance. Greek physicians prescribed it for circulation. Traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine valued garlic for blood purification and vitality. For centuries, these uses were based on observation rather than molecular understanding. Today, science has filled in the gaps. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it releases sulfur-containing compounds, most notably allicin. These compounds are responsible for garlic's distinctive smell, and many of its cardiovascular benefits. Research has shown that garlic helps reduce inflammation within artery walls, lowers oxidative stress, improves nitric oxide availability, and reduces platelet aggregation. In simpler terms, garlic helps blood vessels relax, stay flexible, and resist plaque progression. Importantly, garlic does not scrape plaque out of arteries. That is a myth. What it does is slow the process, stabilize existing plaque, and improve blood flow, all of which significantly reduce stroke risk over time. How garlic specifically supports neck arteries. The carotid arteries are particularly sensitive to inflammation and oxidative damage because of constant blood flow turbulence. Garlic's anti-inflammatory effects help protect the delicate endothelial lining of these arteries. Studies using carotid ultrasound imaging have shown that regular garlic consumption is associated with reduced arterial wall thickening and slower plaque progression. Garlic also improves endothelial function, which helps arteries respond properly to changes in blood pressure and flow demand. Another important benefit is garlic's effect on LDL oxidation. Oxidized LDL is far more damaging to artery walls than regular LDL cholesterol. Garlic helps reduce this oxidation, making plaque formation less aggressive and less unstable. Over time, these effects add up, not dramatically, but meaningfully. Why preparation matters more than most people realize. Many people eat garlic regularly but receive little benefit because they prepare it incorrectly. Heat destroys allicin. Swallowing whole cloves prevents activation of beneficial compounds. Cooking garlic immediately after chopping neutralizes much of its medicinal value. Science shows that garlic must be crushed or finely chopped and allowed to rest for several minutes before consumption. This resting period allows enzymatic reactions to form allicin. This is why traditional cultures often crushed garlic raw before using it, even without knowing the chemistry behind it. The science-backed garlic recipe for artery support. This preparation is designed to be gentle, effective, and suitable for long-term use. It is not a detox and not an aggressive cleanse. Begin with 1 fresh garlic clove. Peel it and crush it thoroughly using the flat side of a knife or a mortar. Allow the crushed garlic to rest for 10 minutes. This step is essential, as it allows allicin to form fully. After resting, mix the garlic with a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon supports nitric oxide production, which helps blood vessels relax and improve circulation. Add a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Healthy fats improve absorption of garlic sulfur compounds and protect the stomach lining. If desired, a small amount of warm water may be added to soften the taste. Consume this mixture once daily, preferably in the morning or early afternoon. This preparation should be used consistently 3 to 4 times per week, not excessively. People with sensitive digestion should start with smaller amounts. Those on blood-thinning medication should consult a healthcare professional before regular use. Garlic benefits beyond artery health. Garlic and blood pressure regulation. Beyond its effect on arteries, garlic has been extensively studied for its ability to support healthy blood pressure. Garlic's sulfur compounds help increase nitric oxide production in the blood vessels, allowing them to relax and widen. This reduces resistance to blood flow, which lowers pressure on artery walls over time. Clinical studies have shown that regular garlic intake can modestly but consistently reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, particularly in people with hypertension. This matters because high blood pressure is one of the strongest contributors to carotid artery damage and stroke risk. Garlic and cholesterol balance. Garlic also plays a role in improving cholesterol balance. It does not simply lower cholesterol numbers, but improves cholesterol behavior in the body. Garlic helps reduce LDL cholesterol oxidation, which is far more dangerous than LDL levels alone. Oxidized LDL is what penetrates artery walls and accelerates plaque formation. By reducing oxidative stress, garlic helps make cholesterol less harmful to blood vessels while supporting healthier lipid metabolism. Garlic and blood sugar control. Blood sugar regulation is another overlooked benefit of garlic. Insulin resistance accelerates artery damage by increasing inflammation and fat deposition in blood vessels. Garlic has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting blood glucose levels in people with metabolic dysfunction. This benefit indirectly protects the neck arteries by slowing the metabolic processes that lead to plaque buildup. Garlic and anti-inflammatory protection. Chronic inflammation is the root driver of atherosclerosis. Garlic contains compounds that reduce inflammatory markers such as CRP and inflammatory cytokines. By calming inflammation at the vascular level, garlic helps protect artery walls from ongoing microscopic injury that leads to plaque growth. This anti-inflammatory effect also benefits joints, organs, and overall immune balance. Garlic and immune system support. Garlic's immune-modulating properties help the body fight chronic low-grade infections and oxidative stress that silently damage blood vessels. A well-regulated immune response prevents excessive inflammatory reactions inside artery walls. This is especially important as we age, when immune dysregulation becomes more common. Garlic and brain protection. Because garlic improves blood flow and reduces oxidative stress, it indirectly supports brain health. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach brain tissue. Studies suggest garlic may help protect against cognitive decline by supporting vascular health, reducing inflammation, and improving endothelial function in blood vessels supplying the brain. When garlic helps, and when medical care is essential. Garlic supports artery health, but it does not replace medical diagnosis, imaging, or treatment. Persistent neurological symptoms, sudden weakness, speech difficulty, or vision loss require immediate medical attention. People with known cardiovascular disease, diabetes, or a history of stroke should view garlic as supportive, not curative. Medical tools such as carotid ultrasound, blood pressure monitoring, and lipid testing remain essential. Closing. Protecting the brain starts in the neck. The brain depends entirely on steady, uninterrupted blood flow. When the arteries in the neck narrow, the brain suffers first, quietly, subtly, and often invisibly. Garlic reminds us that prevention does not always require complexity. Sometimes, it requires consistency, awareness, and respect for the body's early signals. The goal is not to wait for pain. The goal is to listen while the body is still whispering. Because once the brain is deprived of oxygen, even briefly, the consequences can last a lifetime.